friends, welcome back to Digital Marketing Tools and Techniques. So today we will be learning about Google Analytics, and the last few videos we had seen that how to create a Google Analytics account and how to delete a Google Analytics account. So today we will be learning how we can see the data inside a Google Analytics account. So you need to first log into the account, and you will be directed to the home dashboard here. This is the homepage dashboard. Here you can see a lot of data like active users right now, users, sessions, bounce rate, session duration. I'll be explaining later what all these things are. Then the traffic sources, traffic channel, source medium, referrals, a lot of things. Then the active users, what are the time at which the users are more active. So a lot of things can be seen here, like you can see sessions by country. So we can see a lot of things over here, and it's pretty much useful for everyone. And this is a basic dashboard, and if you want to see more data, you can go over these links like real-time, audience, acquisition. If you click on the real-time and click on the overview, you can see the real-time traffic on the website. Right now there is no traffic, so it's showing 0. And if you want to see the audience details, go to the audience overview. You can see the audience details, like how many users were there. 1132 users were there for the last 7 days, from May 27 to June 2nd, and out of these 1015 were new users, and they had 1406 sessions overall. Okay, so when a user lands on a page, it will be 1 session, and when he visits other page, it will be 2 sessions. So if you refresh the same page, it will be a different session. So that's it. And these are the page views, how many page views are there. A lot of things are there. Bounce rate. So then if you go again, you can see the acquisition, like the overall distribution of the traffic, like whether it's from search ads, display ads, paid marketing, social media. A lot of details will be there related to that. Then you can see the behavior. Then you can see the conversion details. We can see different reports like goals, funnel visualization. Then a lot of things are there. Okay, so that's the basic thing about Google Analytics reporting. So apart from that, you can also customize the reports based on your requirement. You can create dashboards, customized dashboards based on different objectives of your website or your business. So a lot of things can be done from here. So that's it. That's the basic reporting and visualization of the Google Analytics. So that's all from my part today. So I think you all understood how to see the report from Google Analytics. So in the next videos, I'll be going bit ahead into this Google Analytics features. So if you understood this video, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And also, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for getting further notifications whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you have any doubts regarding Google Analytics, you can just post your queries in the comment section. You can use the comment section to ask questions and get answers from there. So that's it from my side today. So watch this video. I'll be coming with more new videos very soon. So till then, stay safe. Bye bye.